Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can deactivate or delete your Temu account. It's very easy thing to do. For this, first you have to go open your browser, or you can do it from your Temu app. Go to temu.com and log into your account. After logging in, then from the home page you will see your profile icon here, or you will see their orders and account. Just click on it. Now you in this section you will see a bunch of settings option. From here look for account security, select it. Now you will see here a bunch of options. Scroll down until you see delete your Temu account here option. Just select it. Now what you have to do here, just click on I want to permanently delete my Temu account, and then select continue, and your Temu give a reason to give reason for delete account, and then select continue, and your Temu account will be permanently deleted. And that's how you can deactivate or delete your Temu account. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.